Konnichiwa everyone, welcome to Kokakiko. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a magic ring or magic loop or magic circle. When you make amigurumis or bunnies or something, you start with circle which has no hole in the middle. It would be pretty useful in your future if you are making those projects. This is a common way to make a magic ring in Japan, so it might be different from ones you've seen before. But it makes a really tight ring, so you won't have your circle reopening anymore. If you know how to make a chain stitch and a single crochet or a double crochet in UK, this is super easy and I'm pretty sure you will love it. So let's get started. So to start your magic ring, so you hold the end of yarn and wrap it twice around your fingers. It doesn't matter one finger or two or three, but make sure you are not wrapping it too tight. Pick the yarn and slip it out from your fingers. Now you should be able to see two rings. Put the yarn on your fingers the way you feel comfortable with and hold the joint with your left fingers. Now insert the hook into the ring. At this point, make sure that your yarn is on your right side of your hook, not on your left. And then pull the yarn over and make a chain stitch. Now you can let it go. And ta-da! This is the magic ring. Kind of. Now you can start your project. To make the first single crochet, you insert the hook into the ring, grab the yarn, bring it back up, and pull through these two loops. That's my first single crochet. So 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So now I have 6 single crochet in my magic ring. To count the stitches, I found it much easier to count from the hook, not from the beginning. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm ready to close the ring. When I close the ring, I always insert my hook into the next stitch, so I can start my next round more easily. You know, after closing up, it's hard to find the right spot to start sometimes. So that is the way I do it. So I insert the hook into the first stitch of the next round. And pull the end tail a little bit. But at this point, you need to focus on these two strings because only one of them will move and you need to find out which one that is. So pull the end tail, and this time it was this string. Once you see the one of the string moved, stop pulling the end tail and start pulling the string which moved. Pick the moved string and pull left of the string. Then you'll see the unmoved string closing. Once your unmoved string is closed nice and tight, pull the end tail. Now you'll see the moved string closing. Once the moved string closes nice and tight, your first round with your magic ring is completed. When you go on to the next round, make sure that the first loop on your hook is not too loose. I'm just gonna make one single crochet for the next round to show you the circle. This is how it looks like. Since I've tightened 2 strings, the center of your magic ring won't be opened or loose again. So this is the Japanese way of making a magic ring. If you like this video, please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. ありがとう。